Okay guys, so today we're introducing the Smart Wireless Barbecue Thermometer. So this is a genius device for all of you beef and chicken and seafood enthusiasts and grill enthusiasts out there. So the concept is incredible. It's all about connecting your device to this thermometer here and then connecting these probes to the thermometer. So this is a wireless thermometer, so you're going to be able to access this via your phone for up to 50 meters. This will also stay charged for up to 60 hours and is also magnetic, so you can keep it either next to your barbecue or a splashback in your kitchen. So the concept is quite simple. You take these probes and you remove the silicone cover, and then you have 4 jacks here. So you can connect up to 4 of these, and you can insert this probe into the meat, or if you want the ambient temperature of your barbecue or oven, you can simply fix it using one of these. So you squeeze that together, put it in, and then you'll be able to fix that into the slots of the grill, and then it will take the ambient temperature of your oven or grill, so you know how hot your grill is, how hot your oven is. So it's a simple device with a micro USB charge, simple device to use, and I'll show you how to connect this now to your app. So in the user manual you have the QR code that you can scan. So the QR code here you can scan to get the app. So this is compatible with Android and iOS. Okay, so we've turned it on here on the switch and disconnected all the probes. You will then want to long press and you reach this screen here. So now that we're here, we take the app, we open the app and we press start. So it says welcome. If you have a device to pair, you can press start. So it's scanning now and looking for the thermometer. It will then ask you, you can see the Wi-Fi button flashing there, so it'll say press the button on your thermometer once, and now it's been paired. So now that we're in there, we can connect one of the probes. I'll use number 1 as an example, and we'll start to see the temperature here. So I've actually preset this to beef, but we can use this to set it to the grill temperature, for example. And then once we set the second one, we can add it, say for example, veal, set preset. So you can start to use the temperature. Oh, so you can see the temperature has reached for smoking. So the alarms have gone off. So you can actually set all of these to different meats, as well as the level to which you want the meat cooked. So rare, medium, well done. So say most popular is a medium rare. So you can set that preset. You can also set that timer. So if you want to cook for, let's just say for example, 180 minutes, so that's a very long time for a steak. And you can say at here, take off the grill. So you can leave your comments there below. So once you set the timer, that's set there. And you can also set an alarm. So like we said before, when the alarm reaches this level of temperature, it will then set off like it did earlier. So this is really useful for setting up to 4 temperature gauges, setting alarms, setting timers, and you'll never ever overcook or undercook your meat ever again. So it's got a whole bunch of functions here. You can change the thermometer settings, so the alarm intervals, the alarm ringtone, whether you want vibration. You can add the triggered alarm, so I've added a trigger before. So the temperature is lower than the range, so that's the alarm that went off there, because we're now measuring 72 degrees Fahrenheit of room temperature. And this works for up to 50 meters away. So it's using the Bluetooth connectivity So when you're sitting around at the barbecue, you want to have a few beers, have a chat with some friends, you don't need to stand at the barbecue all the time, you've got everything under control.